song that I want to be performing for you guys is called Superhuman. But before we get into the song, I'd like to teach you guys how the chorus goes. I'd like you guys to sing with me. Goes like this. Superhuman, I feel like a superhuman. Sing it.